Hello everyone, I am Sajat and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare both the front cameras of the Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X guys. So right now these models are not yet launched in India. So right now I'm in the Australia, so I have ordered through the AliExpress. So I'm doing a lot of comparison videos between the Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X guys because you guys can decide which phone to buy by the time it launches in India guys. So because the Realme X the price gonna be quite lesser than the Redmi K20 Pro guys. So now I'll be demonstrating the front cam speed in both the phones, guys. So subscribe to my channel, guys. It helps me to make a lot of videos in the future. So let me show you the models what I'm using in this video, guys. So as you can see, the Redmi K20 Pro is a Snapdragon 855 processor I'm using right now in this video. And here is the Realme X 6GB and 64GB variant, guys. So check out the links in the description, guys, for the playlist of both the devices and comparison videos as well. So don't forget to watch those videos, guys, so that you will get a clear idea which phone to choose by the time it launches in India, guys. So first, let me open the front cam in both the phones. And so now let me turn on the both the front cams in Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X, guys. So you'll get a clear idea which front cam opens the fastest. So let me do it at first. So as you can see here, Realme X is a little bit faster than the Redmi K20 Pro, guys. Let me close the front cam. And you can see in the closing, Redmi K20 Pro is pretty fast, guys. So in between, if you want to switch the back cam, the Redmi K20 Pro is pretty faster than the Realme X. But if you want to switch to the front cam, as you can see, the Realme X is very faster than the Redmi K20 Pro. And let me click a pic, guys, right now. So I'm recording this video using Samsung Galaxy M20, guys, so you can get the video quality as well. So let me snap a pic right now. And if you want to see the image, as you can see, when you are seeing the image, the front cam automatically closed, guys, in this Redmi K20 Pro. But in the Realme X, the front cam is still open, as you can see here. Still it's open, guys, so it's not safe in the Realme X, I can say so far. So let me zoom. So you can see Redmi K20 Pro is a little bit eye clarity, guys, than the Realme X. I can feel at the edge. So let me show you the properties of both the images, guys. So you'll get the clear idea what image size is in both the phones. So in the Redmi K20 Pro, the image size is of 4.77 MB and the resolution you can see here. And let me show you the resolution here, guys, in the Realme X 3456 into 4608. This is the size. So this is because the Redmi K20 Pro has a 20 megapixel front cam, guys. As you can see, there is a 20 megapixel front cam, and in the Realme X, there is only 16 megapixel camera, guys. So this is the reason which can affect the quality of the front cam in both the phones, guys. So both the phones are having security feature, guys. Pop-up video camera will close automatically if the phone is dropped, as you can see here. So let me show you which phone is pretty fast. So both the phones are a little bit faster, guys, in terms of closing, as you can see here. So that's it, guys. This is a quick review. Overall, the front cam clarity on this Redmi K20 Pro is very good, guys, when compared with the Realme X. And even the Realme X, there's this feature which, as you can see, your front cam is still open when you're watching the images, guys. This is not that good, so it's not safety, guys, while you're seeing the images. So this feature might be updated in the upcoming software, guys. But in the Redmi K20 Pro, the overall front cam quality is very good, guys. There's no problem with the front cam. So that's it, guys. This is a small video on that. So don't forget to check out the description and watch my other videos, guys. So and overall, you can decide which phone to buy by the time it get released in India. So stay tuned guys, see you in the next video. Bye.